Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you about what is ChatGPT and how you can use ChatGPT for your benefits. So if you are a Salesforce admin or a developer, or you are just starting out into the world of programming, ChatGPT can really be very helpful to you. And this particular course is designed to make the life of Salesforce admin and developers very, very easy. So if you are someone who is currently working and need help with writing code, or someone who is a little scared of writing Apex triggers, validation rules, flows, etc., this ChatGPT can get your work done faster without anybody's help. It is a very powerful AI tool that you can think like a personal genie for you. You can do all your work done. And I bet you after going through this course, you are going to be blown away by the power of this chatbot. So let's go ahead and understand what is ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is like a chatbot, and the reason this particular chatbot has gone so much of attention is because of its capabilities. This ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI and can give natural answers to many questions like a personal teacher who knows almost everything. So think of ChatGPT as your personal assistant, and this personal assistant knows everything. If you want this assistant to write a resume for you, it'll do it. If you want this assistant to write an article for you, it'll do it. Write an ebook for you, it'll do it. Everything can be done with this ChatGPT. And not only that, it can even write code for you. It can write validation rules for you. It can write flows for you. Everything can be done using this ChatGPT. And this particular course, we are going to use ChatGPT for our Salesforce admins and developers. And you are going to be blown away by the capabilities of how this ChatGPT can help you in your day-to-day tasks at work. I also think ChatGPT can make you dumber, because if everything is available at the tips of your fingertips, who is going to learn anything? Because you can get the answers right away. And there is a notion that is going around that ChatGPT can replace Google. And after I saw all the features of ChatGPT, I do believe it is possible, because it works much better than Google. It's Google, you have to actually search the answers, find the right article and all that. Whereas this ChatGPT, you write whatever question and it'll give you perfect answer. And it can also make those answers easy to understand in a very natural flow, like you are talking to a friend who is trying to teach you something. Once we get into the nitty-gritties of ChatGPT, you will be amazed by the capabilities. And on top of it, it's a free tool. You do not have to pay anything to get access to this ChatGPT. All you have to do is set up an account with them and you are ready to use this ChatGPT. Now, what are the different features of ChatGPT? Now, ChatGPT, you can ask any kind of questions and it'll give you answers. You can even ask them, hey, give me recipes for DASH diet or keto diet, and it'll give you the answers related to that. It can also write an article for you. If you say, hey, can you write a 1,000-word article on hypertension or Salesforce Apex programming, and you can ask ChatGPT and it'll do it for you. And then it's not even plagiarized content. You can actually use that for your content writing. And you can ask ChatGPT to answer your math problems. It'll give you the right answers. So especially if you have kids and they are trying to understand and trying to get their homework done, ChatGPT can help them with their homework as well. And also, it can debug your code. So if, let's say, your code is throwing some errors and you're trying to figure out what the issue with the code is, you can paste that code in ChatGPT and it'll tell you, hey, this is wrong. This is where your program might cause issues, and you have not done so and so thing in your program. So it also can debug the code for you. You can ask ChatGPT to write an apex trigger for you. You can ask him to write a validation rule for you. You can ask him to write a flow for you. You can ask him to write a batch class for you. And not only that, it'll also write a test class for that as well. So you are going to be blown away with the capabilities of this ChatGPT. And we are going to see all of these features in this whole series. And specifically, if you are a Salesforce admin or a developer, you are going to love this course because it is like a personal assistant. If you are someone who needs support, or you are hired somebody to write the code for you, then you don't need them anymore. ChatGPT can do it for you. Even though ChatGPT does a lot of things for you, but you also have to take it with a grain of salt because it's a fairly new technology. It is still in the development phase, and it is going to come up with a lot more improvements and all of that. But with the capabilities that I'm going to show you today, you are going to start using ChatGPT in no time. And it can even do interlingual translation. You can ask ChatGPT to help you understand something in a very simple and easy to learn manner. It's like a personal teacher that knows everything. Now, what are the things ChatGPT can do? It can summarize the text. So let's say there is a big article, and rather than you going through each line of that article, you can just paste that article and it can summarize the important key information of that article. So it'll make your learning faster. It can also explain you things in your language. It can do those interlingual translations. It can make you recommendation, and also it can tell you what your specific piece of code does. So let's say you're looking at a code and you don't know, you are not understanding what exactly that code is doing. It can even explain you what the code is doing in a very simple and easy manner. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and set up our OpenAI tool and let's start using it. Okay, I am going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.